Hey, how's it going? Today, changing the rear sway bar bushings on my Mini Cooper. So you'll want to lift both sides.
This is where the bushing is located. It looks the same on both sides. There's a clamp and two 13mm bolts that hold the bushing on. The space is pretty tight, so you can use a regular wrench and go in from behind the strut. This will give you a lot of room to swing the wrench. For the upper bolt, you can fit a 1/4-inch drive ratchet and socket, and a pipe for leverage. Then you can pop the clamp off, slide the bushing off, slide the new bushing in, put the clamp back on, retighten down the bolts, and you're done.
Sometimes it's easy to hand thread one of the bolts in, but then you can't get the other one in. So just use a pry bar, pry down on the sway bar, and that'll bring the clamp closer to tighten up the bolts, and you're done. Also, for those of you with leaking cooling systems and leaking automatic transmissions on your Mini or any car, K&W, which is owned by CRC, came out with a couple new products that might help you out. You got the cooling system stop leak and the automatic transmission stop leak and tune-up. If you have leaking systems, you might want to try these products before you go taking apart your car to replace seals and stuff. It might save you a lot of time. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will post links in the description to the parts and products that I showed in this video. Thank you and bye.